My career is a little unusual. I started my professional life at university where I was teaching. I moved into government, I moved into diplomatic postings and then into the private sector. It was a little circuitous, but driven by interest, and after teaching university, the one denominator was immigration work. It has an impact on my country and every other country that takes immigrants, and people are important, and it just interested me, and it still does 20 odd years later. There have been successful business people who've gone on to do incredible things in their new country, given the opportunity. There have been people who've been reunited with family members after a long, long time. Very touching stories. There have been difficult stories about people who've had major upheavals in their lives, and we were able to help them get to a new place and to start a new life. The stories are as infinite as any human story, but it's always positive to think back on how we can, in some small way, make a difference to people's lives.